Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day. It wasn't against the rule. Hey, how you doing? Rick Reed here. I hope you're having a wonderful day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Hey, look, if you're on YouTube, click that subscribe button down there, okay? Not only that, but click on the notification bell, okay? And share this video with a friend. Look, if Mary had a little lamb, you can too. The difference is between you and I is that Mary took her Bam Bam lambs. She took them to the market, sold them for cash money, gave people the opportunity to have lamb chops. Look, some of y'all probably had lamb chops last night, left over for lunch today. But guess what? It's a different story because you, James, you, Terrence, you, Karen, you, Jennifer, you, Renee, you, David, you, Carl, or whatever your name is, now you can have a Bam Bam baby lamb and get mailbox cash money with the Little Lamb flyer. That's right. Your name, your cash. Now you can go to sleep without worrying about mailbox money not coming in. If you have more days in the month left than money in your wallet, you need this flyer. Let me show you how it works. Okay. Now, when someone joins from your flyer, what you're going to get, they're going to send you cash and 5 books of stamps. I added the stamps because now you don't have to buy postage stamps. Okay, when someone gets started, that's 5 books. That's 100 stamps to resend your flyer to. Now, what happens when you join? This is what's going to happen because this is what I sent to you when you get started with the Little Lamb flyer. Okay, you're going to get this customized with your name on it. Okay, that means that right here, your name gonna go into box 1 or your name gonna go into box 2, right here. All right, they're gonna send you cash and stamps. Okay, now, what I also sent to you is you're going to get my hot mailbox cash money marketing kit. People, I can send out 2 side flyers, 2 flyers, okay, to 100,000 people for $150. It's all in here. Where you can post this flyer online to several places and make mailbox cash money. The thing is, people, you do not have to have a computer to do this business. You can have envelopes stuffed for you and mailed to you. All you have to do is put your stamp and your lead on there. Okay. I'm also going to give you $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. I went shopping at Walmart. My grocery bill came up to like $190+. By the time I gave them the coupons for items that I use, my bill came up to like $89, $90. Okay, saving me over $100. I keep myself well groomed. Right in Walmart, they had a nail shop. Guess what I got? Pedicure, manicure that same day. I'm going to send you $1,000 in fast food restaurants of your choice. Now we're talking about fast food restaurants like Denny's, Wendy's, okay, Taco Bell, Dairy Queen, Arby's, McDonald's, Burger King, okay, Long John Silver, and we're talking about restaurants, okay, such as Ponderosa Steakhouse, Olive Garden, okay, Denny's, IHOPs, a lot of other places, people, where you're gonna save a bunch of money. And right here, the free mentorship and coaching program where you simply give me a phone call. We'll set some time together. I'll go over marketing strategies with you. I'll go with some new updates that I have, and to help you come up with a budget to make the mailbox cash money that you want based on your budget. It's okay to start where you are. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And I'm going to explain that to you in a second. All right. Now, the other thing you're going to get is you're going to get 100, 200, 300, 400, or 500 hot fire leads, people of like yourself that's looking at this, that's looking to work from home. I have the names of people that will spend the money to get started in this program. Okay? And their income level ranges from $50 on up to the thousands. If you go to cashcowprogram.com, you're going to see all of the flyers that I have. Okay, I'll be adding about another 10 sometime, maybe today. Okay, cash only or U.S. postal money order. All right. Now, the reason I said you're in business for yourself but not by yourself, because when you get started, you're going to send 100, 200, 300, 400 or $500 and 5 books of stamps to me right here. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Your name is going to go right here in box number 2, and I'll be mailing out flyers. You're going to be mailing out flyers. Now your name is going to be on other people's flyer, and guess what, people? Now you get to make a residual income of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 5 books of stamps over and over again. Can you imagine this, people? Can you imagine this? It only takes 10 people sending you $100. That's $1,000 that day, that week, or that month. What if they sent 300? That's $300, $3,000 that month. This flyer can easily get you $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 this year. You just got to do what I call MUSH, M-U-S-H. Mail until something happens. MUSH. Remember that, MUSH. Mail until something happens. And people, that's it. That's as simple as this get. You're going to get $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice, $1,000 in fast food restaurant coupons of your choice, the hot mailbox cash money marketing kit. Okay, all the places I do business with is in there. You're going to get mentorship and coaching from me. All I ask you to be is teachable and coachable. Yeah, you may know a lot, but you don't know what I know right now. Okay, that's why we'll work together. And of course, the hot buyer leads, people. I'm studying finding different leads. Another lead source, I got about 2,500 leads, and I'm going to send them out today with my new flyers and see what happens. Okay, now this is also what I'm going to give you as a bonus when you get started, people. That's going to help put your business on steroids. And guess what? You're going to pick up another $50. Check this out. My abundant stamp program. It costs $50 to get started with this. You're going to get this flyer free. Free. This is how this works. When a person gets started, okay, they're going to send, your name going to go here. Okay, they're going to send you $50 and 100 stamps. They're going to select that. Or $50, or you will get $50 and 200 stamps. $50 and 300 stamps, $50 and 400 stamps. People, can you imagine having over 1,200 stamps coming in? You do not have to pay for stamps anymore. You're going to pick up another $50, okay? Champion is going to pick up $50 and whatever stamps that they choose. Your name can go here, or your company name could go here, and your phone number or email address. People, I'm setting you in position to win. The Little Lamb flyer is waiting on you. All you simply have to do is give me a call 832-906-6411, 832-906-6411, because I haven't added this to the website. First Movers Advantage. Fill your information out. And I'm asking you to add your phone number, email. Listen, look, people, the mail runs at different times. And since the mail runs at different times, what happens is that if I get a package, I'm going to call you and say, hey, James, have you gotten a package from Loretta yet? If you say no, then I'll put Loretta package together, but I won't send it to her till I get a confirmation from you. And I ask you to do the same thing. Any package that you get from any of our hot money-making flyers at cashcowprogram.com. Again, that's cashcowprogram.com. Okay, you call me and say, Mr. Reed, I just got a package from Terrence. Have you received anything yet? I'll tell you no. If I haven't, I'll put it together, and guess what? Terrence don't hold till I receive his package. We're working together. Together, we're a team. Together, we accomplish more. People, if Mary had a little lamb, you can too. But now, you get mailbox cash money in your pocket. You can go buy you some lamb chops. You can go buy chicken or whatever it is that you eat. Hey, I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Now it's time for you to do something about your financial situation. You're gonna get all the stuff I told you about the $1,000 in grocery coupons, the $1,000 in fast restaurant coupons, the mentoring program, okay, the hot leads, and guess what? This new abundance stamp flyer that's going to help put an extra $50 cash in your pocket and more stamps. What are you going to do? It's time for you to make a decision to do something in your life and with your life where you can make money in your sleep, people. You do not have to have a computer to do this, okay? Give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. Look at all the other flyers, okay? Because some of you are high ticket. I have so much over there. www.cashcowprogram.com. Give me a call, 832-906-6411. 832-906-6411. God bless. Love you.